Today I'm in Des Moines, Iowa at the Blank Park Zoo to show you agriculture's Zoo Connection. I'm used to working with animals, but I've never had the tallest mammal try to steal a treat from me. The really interesting part is that they're like above you, and so they drop down on you.
Yes.
Which is slightly disconcerting, but and you know, I think interestingly, they're really quiet.
Yeah, they are.
Really quiet animals.
Yeah.
Like you wouldn't even know that they walk up behind you.
Yeah, they think that actually they talk to each other in sounds that we just can't hear.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Interesting.
But occasionally they do make sounds, some growling and things like that, but mostly when they're mad.
So its tongue is really rough too. It's
Yeah.
not, I mean,
yeah, they eat thorns and things in the wild, and so that thick, hard tongue and full of saliva coats those thorns so they can eat that, just like that. That saliva coats those thorns, and then it protects their mouth and their body when they're eating it.
yeah. Well, you know, I've fed a cow or calf before. I guess here's the giraffe, right? And then these are like hoof stalks, so they have hooves like your, you know, like your domestic livestock might, but obviously it's a whole different type of thing here. When it's winter, the giraffes are kept inside the barn, but usually they're out in the sun, grabbing leaves with their dark tongues.
So that tongue actually protects, it's that dark color because it protects them from the sun. So it actually keeps them from getting sunburned. They spend, wild giraffes spend about 75% of their day eating. And so that tongue is out just like that, looking for leaves and pulling them into their mouth. So it gets a lot of sun. So that's why it's that dark color. It protects them. And then actually, if you look, if she sticks her tongue out even farther, you can see there's like a little pink spot. And that's because that's the part that doesn't really get much sun.
Okay, that's interesting.
So, yeah.
And so giraffes are ruminants, not dissimilar from cattle.
Yes. Yes, so they have that four-chambered stomach. They don't have any top teeth in the front, just bottom teeth and molars in the back.
Tongues coming at you from every direction here.
Yes.
Come to Iowa to learn about farm animals, wildlife cousins.